Honey?
Yeah. Creamy avocado.
Avocado?
Yeah.
Huh.
You want to try that?
I'm scared. Avocado? Is it good? Have you had the avocado?
Yeah.
It's one of their
By the way,
best sellers.
wala kami kuan.
Avocado? Wala pong may whipped cream?
No whipped cream.
Then sa coffee, sad na mo, nagbuhat pa bago kami nag-open.
Pero okay na inyong avocado without whipped cream?
Okay.
Sure jud ka?
Yeah.
Are you
Actually,
sure?
mo na kanang like,
Ice cream. Frappuccino?
Isa ka Sunday. Kung sa'yo, binap niya ang Sunday. Ay, wala pa mo eh. Yes. Sige, ka to na lang.
What did you get?
The large frap, sir.
What, did you get one for me?
Yeah, the double chocolate. We'll just share it.
You just got one?
Yeah.
Well, they added a 25-cent cone, or 25 peso cone.
Oh, they don't have ice cream yet. I apologize for that.
What's that?
Hi, madam. Kapalit ako lemonade. Do you want the classic lemonade? Oh, orange lemonade lang, madam. Wala mo? Classic ba? Sige, go.
Nasa may Yakult.
Yakult? Sige, Yakult lemonade. Same ramag price, no? 69. Nandito. They're called lemon fudge. I ordered the Yakult lemon. And that is doing here right now. She's even singing the song right now. She's so fast. That's it. Ayaw lang? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, he's there waiting. Chris! Chris! Babe! Come here. We got a loyalty card.
Oh.
Are we going here every day?
Oh, more. We can see.
I ordered the Yakult one.
Yakult?
Yeah, Yakult lemon.
Maybe that's that classic.
I'll choose it.
Lami? It's so good. Yes. She got the yogurt one. Yogurt and lemonade. It's a good combo. It's a good combo. It's delicious. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, this angle is so high. I have to bring it.
You're looking down on me?
Always. When you look at this video, you'll see how my view is looking at you. See, I'll put it next to my face.
Point of view. Always like this.
Yeah.
It's much sweeter.
Mm-hmm.
The lemon is sweet.
A couple of the work girls are trying to make each other talk to me over there. They're like something like blah blah blah. They were like looking and like, come on, like they're pushing each other towards me, and then like she's like no, and then they like got real close and walked away.
Maybe they want to talk to you.
I'm not that person. I'm not that guy.
No, they maybe want to talk to you. Just just learn English or something like that. Or maybe hang out.
They teach that in school, so just go to school and you'll learn it. I'm I'm not a good teacher for that.
They don't always see like the handsome guy.
I'm
like,
the only foreigner I've seen here so
kind
far.
of foreigner. It's all foreigner.
Which is surprising. It's a cute like
Cute
little
place.
downtown area. Lots of little food parks. The Lechon, nice beach.
But most of their customers down in here are students.
Students.
Yeah.
That's where you get the cheap food. So.
Yeah, true. Oh,
Nice.
and even like kids just walking. Probably college area.
Yeah. They have buy one get one burgers, Big Mac. But I want to look at the Punko Punko.
Yeah.
See what they have.
Yeah.
If they have chicken, I might get a little chicken. Little manok.
He loves chicken and pork and everything in Pongo Pongo.
Ginabot. There's a Ginabot place on my list. I think it's just up the road. What's funny is we're getting coffee here, but we were on our way to another coffee shop. But there's a cheesecake place too.
Because there's a lot of coffee shops in here.
Yeah.
It's a rural thing, but yeah, there's a lot of coffee shops.
I wonder if the lady inside is growing the beans for our coffee from scratch, because it's taken like a long time
Yeah.
to make 2 coffees.
This one was like, just
Yeah.
like around, you know,
A minute?
a minute, less than a minute.
Oh well.
You can't really ask for it since you bought it already.
There we go. Now you can hold it. It'll be at my eye level. Here we go.
His eye level, but when I'm looking at him, I'll be like
This is
that.
her point of view. Ah. Yeah, my chin.
This should be my point of view if I'm taller.
I bet this place is cute like at night. Like it's like a, I mean, now it's just like all chairs put up. Here's a bar, there's a bunch of like different food places, samgyeop, sao, dal macchiatos. There's a chicken and waffle place, I think. There's like a pizza place. Lemon. Huh?
Oh, they're calling us now.
I'll go
We
get
should
it.
get it. Yay! You got the large coffee already.
I've got caramel and chocolate.
Yeah.
It's pretty too. Look at. Let's try it. It's good.
I have to. Coffee and a lunch. Oh,
It's good. It's very chocolatey.
good. Double chocolate. Choose a double chocolate.
I just like the Frappuccino because they're frozen.
This is yours.
Yeah, you don't want it?
This is mine. Yakult is much better with lemon.
Did you see they have coffee lemonade? At the bottom of their list, they have
Yeah.
coffee lemonade.
Didn't see that.
I don't know if that would be good, but
Yeah. It will be weird. I haven't tried it.
oh yeah. Lots of whipped cream.
Whipped cream, chocolate, brain freeze.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. No brain freeze yet.
That's why I want to go to the ice world
Oh.
at Enjo.
Because you want it to be like very cold.
Yeah, they're like, you can't bring kids in. Everyone has to wear a jacket. I'm like, I'm not wearing a jacket. I live with the jacket on my whole life.
I'll probably be just, yeah, no, baby, I'll just go out.
Yeah, you have to be extra to go in Ice World. I think it's 500 to get in,
Yeah.
and then an extra 200 or 300 for Ice World.
Oh.
So it's like you gotta pay almost $16 to get into just a cold room.
It's a cold room. I'll just have an aircon room.
All right, let's enjoy this and maybe we'll get some punko punko.
It is
It looks like a good Caranderia across the street. Let's go check it out. That looks good.
Kumba with egg. Chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
I think those are atay.
Ah,
Atay. Liver.
7.
Pila ni te?
70, 60.
60?
60,
70. Ah, the big ones are 70. No, 60. Mili sa miti ha.
Oh, sige. Bakit?
Papilion sa kuning kuan usa si Kano. Unsa ni te?
Maes, usa. Diritang baboy.
Kalderetang baboy. Tinuwa ni te? Tinuwa? Mangsa, it's fish. This is larang.
Looks good.
Ginaling. Unsa ni te? Rice ni te?
Kuha siya, munggos.
Munggos? Ah, okay. Favorite. You want to eat?
Sure.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pancit and humba?
Ah, with egg?
Sure.
Maybe I can just ask for a soup too.
Yeah,
Like a free soup.
yeah, like a sabaw.
Ah, sabaw. You want to sit there?
Yeah, we can sit in here.
Okay. I'll just order for both of us.
Order.
I'll be the one to order.
Okay. I'm gonna go find a seat. We'll be right back. We got noodles, humba, which is pork, a little sauce, and free soup,
Free soup. And me.
and me. After all that ice cream, I feel like something hot, salty.
Because you're drinking the cold one.
Yeah, the frappuccino. It's busy in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of, workers or kids in here.
Maybe you want to eat and. My head is never in frame. There we go.
It's always me in frame.
The pancit has lots in it.
Maybe we should try that one.
Oh yeah. It's really good.
It's really good. It's delicious. It's not a lot, but I think this one is really, really good.
Yeah. And then the pork has an egg. So there's pork, but it also has an egg and then all the sauce. You didn't get any rice?
No.
No rice? Just soup.
This soup is delicious.
Is it?
You should taste it. I think I love this.
Tastes like fish and vegetables.
And
It's good.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Very good. Just need some chilies.
It's already like spicy in the front.
Is it?
But you want it to be more spicier, right?
I'll eat the chilies.
I got the half of it so Chris can eat the half. This would be good with rice. This would be good with rice.
Oh, that humba like sauce is so good. You can just see all the flavor in there. Oh wow. It's like sweet garlic, chili, maybe tomato.
You can taste the star too, like
The star anise.
Anise.
Yeah, star anise. Yeah, it's got some black beans in there.
I don't eat the black beans.
I'm gonna try it with the egg.
And the black beans.
That's amazing. This is a good choice.
Like a good lunch for us. Now you're eating a lot of pancit.
Ang tuwa daw pa may answering call on site, may construction ng sila. Ang yun na pa-record, 120
The sauce. Like a Pinoy, he's using his hands to separate the pork, the meat. We're like, so it doesn't splash on us.
Super good. I like when they put like real good spices in there. Sometimes it's kind of plain, but you're right, the star anise is very good flavor.
Yeah. It adds the taste in it. Ilang pansit yun mo ilamig. Lamig. Commendable dali. Doon siya sa Santa Teresa na church ng area. Just right, more or less in front of it.
We should have got those kids who were filming a video. We should have got them to do like the intro to the video. Be like, hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Maybe I should ask some kids after they sing.
I'm sure some kids will come up singing to us soon. There's some right there walking by. I think they're pajamas.
Yeah. I think it's gonna rain. Look at
You
the.
think?
It's gonna rain. We'll just hang out in here for a while.
Is it raining now?
Yeah.
Good thing we're close to the bus station. Please hop on the bus and take it back into town.
Yeah. True.
And umbrellas are covering their heads yet, so it's not raining. Alright guys, we're gonna finish eating and then figure out our next move. We'll see you in a bit. Bye.